Good evening, everyone. We thank God for another opportunity like this to look at the chart. I believe we all have a very lovely week, and I believe the market is currently favoring us. So we start now, while others will join us. Others will join us as we proceed. Let me share my screen, please. Okay. Why is it not sharing my screen? Sorry. Wow. Sorry, I'm finding it difficult to share my screen. I don't know why. Please bear with me. I don't know why I cannot share my screen. I don't know why. What's this? I don't know why I cannot share my screen. I think this is an error. Okay. Can we all see my screen, please?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So we can proceed. So good evening. Sorry, last week meeting, I was having very issues with MTN network in my area, and I couldn't do a straight meeting. So the videos were breaking. That was the reason why I did not upload it. I think I had like three different videos. So I just felt it's not good enough for us to upload. So I will just move straight. I have some stock here that I want us to look at. Then we will now look at our regular banking, insurance, and all other stocks that we are all familiar with. We see what the market did last week, and we look at what the expectations are in the coming week. So to start with, let me start with some of these stocks that we are not too familiar with. They are stocks that I don't follow personally, but I can see opportunities in them. So if they are stocks that you can also look at, you can have a look at them. Let me check. I have Total here. Total. Let me see what the chart is saying concerning Total. Okay. So what am I looking at in Total? Let me see. Okay. Number one is overbought, but price is trying to find support at current level, which is at, okay, which is at 191 naira. I think this supports my likelihood. Number one, price is currently in the cloud. Let me get rid of this. Price is in the cloud. So if it is possible for price to get around here, then you don't have to think twice, you can buy it. But the way it is now, is trying to find support. It has been on this spot for how many days? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 10 days. It's been on this price. And you can look at the momentum. The momentum is already painting green, green, green for some days now. And look at Friday candle. Friday candle was a bull. So what do I expect? I expect a follow through in the coming week for this price to go up at this current price. I don't think this thing will pull back anymore. If it's going to pull back, I expect it to go back up. Pull back, if this price should fall, to go back up. That's what I expect technically. So let's look at another stock. Let's look at, what's this one? Seplat. What are they doing there? Okay. Okay, I can see that this stock is also trying to find support. I don't know, maybe the chart is still valid, but currently it's trying to find support. But this is below the cloud. For 2 days now, we have seen green, we have seen a bull, and this thing has been painting green. So I expect it to go up at current price. Let's look at Eternal Oil. Okay. This is a bit high. Let me look at the weekly. Okay, it's a bit high, but it's going up. But the price is high. Let me draw my Fibonacci and see the levels that we can get in. If we can get it around, let's say 7 naira, this zone is okay. But the way it is now, I don't think it's going to pull back to 7 naira this. Look at this pin bar, look at this follow through. The following week, for 3 weeks now, we've seen a bull. What do I expect? I expect a breakout, a sharp move that will break this current high, which is at 8 naira 22 kobo. So 8 naira 22 kobo is the resistance. When it breaks it, then we go to this level, 8 naira 76 kobo. When we break 8 naira 76 kobo, we are going to 10 naira 75 kobo. Let us look at another stock. Let's look at Oando. Oando, okay, the same thing. Their prices are currently high, but if you can enter, it is also good. But in this case, okay, Okay. There's a resistance here. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, let me move on. I don't know how to get rid of that. So at current price, okay, price is currently struggling at this level, which is 5 naira 13 kobo. Let's hope for a breakout. But if we can get a pullback to around 4 naira 73 kobo is good. At current price, you can also enter. This is a move. This is like a range. And Friday was like a candle that wants to break out. These are pin bars, these are rejections at this level. So if this by Monday, if this candle should break out, I expect price to get to 5 naira 79 kobo. If there's a breakout of that level, then I expect price to get to 6 naira 49 kobo. So let's look at another stock. Portville. Let me check another one. Caverton. What's Caverton? Okay. All right. I think from what I'm looking at, this is a rejection. This is divergence. If you can enter at this price, is good. You are currently facing a support. There's a support here. There's a resistance here. Previous resistance. So that's what is trying to hold this price. This thing has been supporting this price for some time. Was broken, tested this, is now hitting it as a resistance. But it was a support before, is now a resistance. Though we are below the cloud, but this move, I expect a follow through. This move is massive, is a rejection. Price rejected lower low. They said this price is too low. Let's get in. So if you can come in at current price, or if you are a little bit conservative and you want the chart to be so sure before you enter, then you can wait for like 2 more days and see what the reaction will be. But from what I'm looking at, you don't even need to wait. You can enter at current price, which is at 1 naira 74 kobo. Is the previous support. But this move is a rejection. It's too strong. It's a strong rejection. I expect price to get to something like 1 naira 89 kobo, maybe in 2-3 weeks. I expect price to get to somewhere around here. Let me put my level there. Then we hope that the analysis is okay. Morrison. Okay. What is happening here? This is I like this kind of reaction move. This is a good time to enter. This is a good time to enter. Price is above the cloud. The cloud is blue, is telling you it's going up, and the momentum is just crossing below zero. I expect this support to hold. Let's hope for 2 weeks and see what is going to happen. Okay, someone is raising hand.
Yes, good evening. I just wonder.
Okay.
What has been the historical performance of Morrison that would make one to confidently put money there?
Abby, so me, I'm only looking at the chart. I don't know their history. I don't even know. I'm just looking at the chart and I saw that TradingView was recommending a buy. So I look at the chart and I saw that is
I raised the observation just so that members can be cautious, because you don't
yes,
also want
please.
your money
So
to
don't
go
just go and put money into what you don't
voicemail.
Ah, okay. So thank you, ma. Unilever. Let's check Unilever. Unilever. I think I know Unilever. Oh, momentum is building, but price is still below the cloud at a support. Let's hope that there's a follow through. But what you can wait for again, you know, I always say, if you want to be careful and you want to be conservative, always wait for a bullish day. This has been flat for some time. So if this candle just form something like this, look at it here. It was flat, flat, flat. You just see a green. It's telling you that now it's time to enter. You can now enter. If you don't want to enter into a sideways market that doesn't have that, it's just moving sideways, sideways, sideways. If suddenly you just see a bullish candle, green like this, then you can now enter. That's just confirmation for your entry. So let us look at Calgary. I think I saw opportunity in Calgary too. Calgary. Wow. Can someone still enter this? I think yes. It looks like we've missed entry. The entry is around here. I don't know why we've not been looking at this. People should just recommend stocks that I look at. I trade other markets. This stock market is not the only market I trade. So I don't follow all the stock. So I don't know them. So if people recommend what I should analyze, then it will be easier for me instead of us doing the same thing over and over again. Like this Cabri, assuming we've spotted something like this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. These are rejections at a support. This was a support. We should have placed a trade at this price at 7 naira 80 kobo. Look at this now, it's at 8 naira 50 kobo. But I expect a breakout. I expect this price to get to somewhere around here. Around let me check what the price is at that level. Okay, 9 naira 11 kobo. But if you can still find entry, it's still okay. It depends on your risk profile. One more stock. Can we see Ikeja Hotel? I don't know what they do. I just know Ikeja Hotel. I think I saw opportunity in Ikeja Hotel. No, this one is not good. Sorry. NMB. Nigerian brewery. Let's see. Oh, this is not good enough. This is not good enough. Although price is at support, this is a support, but this is not a good confirmation for an entry. It's not a good confirmation for an entry. That stayed under the cloud for too long. Assuming price is still around here, I can still consider buying, but it's staying under the cloud. It looks as if it wants to cross over, it breaks again, and do like this and come down again. So let's forget about all these ones. Let's go to our usual and regular stock. The banks, let's see what the bank did. I've not even checked their chart. Okay, I think this one is progressing. The momentum is building. This has been green for some time. It has crossed to the positive side and is still green. I expect a breakout. So in the coming week, I expect to see Zenith Bank around 25 naira or something. Let's hope it gets there, or 26 naira if possible. The major resistance that we are facing is 26 naira 75 kobo. So let us look at another bank in stock. Access Bank. Okay. This day, I don't know what, okay, is hitting resistance. You see now, we have gotten to the major resistance. This is the highest price that this thing has gotten to. That's why it hits 9.97 kobo and pulled back. Let's see if there's going to be a follow through. If by next week we see another candle that breaks above here now, it wants to go and test 10.45 kobo. So that is what we should watch out for. But the momentum is up, the trend is up, everything is up. The only thing that is preventing price from going higher currently is this price, which is the resistance. 9 naira 97 kobo. Let's see if there's going to be a breakout. But from my own, from my experience, a breakout is more likely. Why? Anytime I see momentum like this building, it's going to break out. Look at it here. It's building here. Look at the way it spiked. And we've not seen a spike. I expect a spike, price to go higher and come and retrace. So that's what I expect. A breakout is more likely. Which other bank? Okay, Wema has been my, yes, thank you. I've told people to buy Wema at this level because I know it's about to find a support. This support is going to, I sent it on the Facebook. I said, buy Wema is a good buy any day. Look at this. This is a divergence at a support. And this cloud again, cloud is holding it. This cloud is a very good price to always enter in an uptrend. When there is an uptrend and I see that price is pulling back, if price should touch the lowest of this cloud, just enter. Don't even look for any confirmation, anything. Price is going to react to it for the first time, going to react to it. And look at it, it's reacting to it. Friday was a big bull. By next week, I expect price to get to somewhere around 82 kobo. If there's a breakout, then we face the major resistance at 90. Oh, which other bank? Fidelity, is anything happening?
Fidelity.
Fidelity has almost broken all our resistance. So where is the next price we are expecting at 2 naira 95 kobo? See the momentum, see that it's building. This thing is going higher, 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 higher. Until this thing paints red, just hold it. It's going. Forget about what price is doing. As long as there is still momentum in the market, this is what is pushing it higher. Look at the way it is like this, it's not ready to come back. It's going up. If it should come down, people will still buy it back. It has broken the major resistance. So this is a breakout trade. Price might come back and retest this level, which is at 10 naira and still find support. But if for the first time it touches that price, it's going to react to it. So which other bank do we have here? GT2 was doing great and mighty things this week. Where is GT now? Sorry, this is GT. Look at this spike. Look at the momentum. I was following GT for long now. Look at how it has been holding. You know, we've been analyzing this thing. I even thought that it's going to stop here and retrace. Look at Friday. Friday broke and touched 29 naira 45 kobo. Let's see what is going to. But this one is not ready to come back, please. Let's see. In the next 1-2 weeks, I expect price to hit 30 naira. What's the next bank we are looking at? Bank. Is there anything happening in Sky? Without nothing.
Under the water. Can we look at livestock feeds, if you don't mind?
Okay, let me just quickly check what's it called. Let me quickly finish with banking stock. Okay, see this rejection. Price touched 8 naira 31 kobo, came as low as this price, and is now trying to go high. I don't expect price to break this level. If price should, if you have it, if price gets to like 8 naira 50, this level, you can take your profit. Well, if you are a long-term trader, let me check what the weekly is saying. You can still hold it. If you are a long-term trader, you can hold it. Maybe you want to hold it for 2 months. Is okay. But looking at it, this rejection, let me check for us, please. Let me check for us. That rejection, you see, it is already painting red. So this level might lightly hold, and price will now pull back to somewhere around 7 naira 81 kobo. Then continue. This is a price rejection. I don't know what happened, why price spiked and came down again. So it didn't go up and stay. If it should go up and stay, then it is momentum, is strong. But if you go up and the ability send it back, it's volatile. That means there's something in the market that is sending price back. So that major resistance might likely hold. There's higher probability that it's good. Let's check one more banking stock. Then we check livestock field. These people, let me see, what are they doing? Please, this is also a very good. Oh, okay, I'm on 4 hours, sorry. Yes, you can still enter. This is good. You can enter. Okay. Let me draw my support. This is a resistance. The valid resistance. This is a valid support. And we need to change this direction. We are now facing up. We are now facing up. So what are the levels to watch? This level is going to be very strong. 1 naira 90 kobo. It's going to be very, very strong level. But if there's a breakout of that level, 2 naira 4 kobo, then 2 naira 19 kobo. Let me check one more. I think I saw. Have we checked Union Bank? Have I checked UBA? I think I've checked UBA.
Yes.
Union Bank. Union Bank. Oh, this is also good. Please go and buy Union Bank. When I see a trade that is good, you don't need to look at it twice. Look at this rejection and this support. They are buying this. Look at it. What happened here? This is the rejection. Look at what happened. Look at what is about to replicate what happened here. So what are the levels to watch out for? Watch out for profit at 5 naira 38 kobo, profit at 5 naira 69 kobo, and possibly 6 naira. But please go and buy this. If nobody buys this, we will not do training, we will not do meeting again, please. Okay, let's look at livestock field.
Have you touched photograph?
Mario, who is using? Sorry, let me mute this people's mic. Okay. Oh, livestock field. What is happening? Livestock field struggle to pull back to 2 naira 29, 26 kobo. Is trying to, this level wants to resist it. That's 2 naira 51 kobo. But let's see if there's going to be a breakout. If this should break out, then we can say price will touch 2 naira 91 kobo. Let me go to weekly and see if breakout is likely. Please, breakout is likely. Let's expect that price get to 3 naira, this level, from this place to this place. Breakout is likely. You can still hold it. If you're having it, you can hold it, even though there's a rejection here. But let's hold it for 1 week more. Let's see what happens this coming week. But you can still hold it. Any other one that you want me to do? Then we close the meeting. Any other stock? Any stock that you have in mind?
Unity Bank, guys.
Okay, Unity Bank.
GTI.
Which one is GTI? Don't know that one. No? Unity Bank. Okay, Unity Bank. Unity Bank, you can buy. You can buy Unity Bank at current price. This level wants to hold. This is a zone. It's about to hold. Let's see what the possibilities are. Let's see. 71 kobo, 84 kobo. Which other bank?
ETI, EcoBank.
Okay. Let's see. There's a breakout already. Okay, I'm on weekly. Okay. You see, when we did the analysis, see the spike. So if you want to enter now, you can get a pullback to around here. It's good. Let's see. It's still going up. There's a resistance around here. I think that's what is currently holding price. But please, if you are a long-term trader, if you can hold stock for a very long time, you can still keep holding it. This price might get to 12 naira, might get to 14 naira for a long-term trader. But in case of this pullback is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at entry. You get it around 6 naira 30 something kobo on Monday, you can enter. But we should have entered around there. Have we not analyzed this stuff before? I can't remember. But for me to have drawn this Fibonacci here, any instrument that I open and I see that I've already drawn Fibonacci, I know that I've analyzed it. So it's a good trade. Is it Unity Bank now? Sorry, I didn't know that my time frame was on weekly. Okay, it's also good. You can enter Unity Bank. At current price, very good. Very, very good. Momentum just crossed to the positive side.
Is that it?
This is the Unity Bank.
Let's check. Can we look at the weekly chart of Unity Bank?
Okay, I think that's what I first looked at. Price is still below the cloud anyway, but last week was a signal that something is entering the market.
Okay.
So,
but that's a bullish candle there.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Small bodied candles.
Yes, rejection. Yes. So,
okay. So what's the price projection like?
These are the projections. Look at my Fibonacci levels. 71 kobo. So that those are my Fibonacci levels.
Okay.
All right, sir.
So the current price is at 57 kobo, right?
Yes. So okay. We've not looked at First Bank. So which bank have we now looked at? First Bank, that's FBNH. I think First Bank is spiking seriously spiking. Let's look at it. It's still moving. Okay, let's see where First Bank we get to. I don't know what is moving it, but see how we miss this opportunity. Let's see. By the time it gets to 15 naira, maybe it will be tired. So, access. Have you not looked at access? Someone is asking about access.
We have seen access.
We've seen access now. We've seen access. Yes. I think that would be all. But what we appreciate if you can send me stock to analyze ahead so that I can check those firms so that we make
Can we see May and Baker before we round up?
Okay, May and Baker. Baker. At current price, please enter. This support is strong. We are still above the cloud. Don't go and miss this trade again. This is the cloud. Price has been rejecting this cloud. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days rejection. So I expect this thing to go up. It might not go up immediately, but the way I'm looking at this stock is not a very volatile stock. It doesn't move. See, I'm seeing too many dojis. Like body, see, doji, go, doji. Yes, there's no volume, but it's good for long time. So if you are going to analyze this kind of stock, you have to go to higher time frame, like weekly. Look at what is happening on the weekly. Look at what is happening on the monthly. There is one analysis that I did and I posted on the Facebook page, MRS. I did an analysis on monthly. And it's been performing. Look at it, it's been performing. I sent it like how many weeks ago, and I told people to buy. Look at, and price was still around here. If you check that Facebook, I've been posting updates. I did it on monthly because I think it doesn't really have the volume. If you look at what you see, it's performing. You see too many flat days. So you have to go to a higher time frame. Those ones are good for investment. Let's see if the price will get to 16 naira, possibly 18 naira and 20 naira. So that is what I'm expecting. So I wish you all a very lovely weekend. So
Can we have your contacts?
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma. I didn't know that you don't have my account. Let me quickly type that in the chat now. Okay, that's my phone number. You can reach me on that. On my Telegram, can also reach me. And if you need my email,
I didn't get it, sir.
this is. Can you see the chat?
I can see the chat.
But no, I mean on the chat where we can chat and communicate. On your, not this not
Okay.
this. Can you see it now? Check your chat where we can communicate.
Okay.
You will see my contact there.
Okay, I've seen it.
All right, sir. So if you can call me. So we thank God. It is well. So we hope that next week is going to be bullish. It's going to be bullish. There are a lot of opportunities in the market now, from what I'm seeing. Yes, there's a lot of opportunity. All right, sir.
Thank you very much.
Bye, man. All right. Thank you.